Do the holidays always stress you out? Do they always turn into a disorganized mess? Welcome to the W. I am Paul Julian, and I have a few hacks for you that will make your holiday a better and easier experience. Let's start off our list with a hack from realsimple.com. If you don't know what to get someone for Christmas, have them guess what they think you are getting them. Now you know what they want. The next hack comes from redtry.com, and that is to wrap your Christmas tree in a tarp or garbage bag to minimize the mess when carrying it out of your house. And our third and final hack is from BuzzFeed, who suggests wrapping your Christmas lights on a hanger during the off-season to avoid clutter. Putting lights on hangers can be great for organizing, keeping your lights untangled, and making your next Christmas easier. Hopefully, these hacks will provide you with a better holiday experience, or at the very least, spark your creativity. So with this knowledge, I hope you're inspired to look for more holiday hacks or even to come up with your own original hacks this holiday season. Many people would love to see what methods or family traditions you have when preparing for the holiday season. This has been Paul Julian, back to you in the studio.